What's up? Thank you for clicking on this video. I'd like to welcome you to a brand new episode of Side Dish right here on Digital Chef ENT. If this is your first time on the channel, I'm Taryn Williams. I am CEO of the Digital Chef brand right here, slicing, dicing, and gaming. Not just a motto, it's a lifestyle, and you'll probably hear that one more time before this video is over. So, we're going to be making whiskey sour slushies. If you're a veteran of Digital Chef ENT, if you will, slushies are nothing new here. I actually did a Bacardi lime slushie not too long ago, which I'm going to be throwing a link to that as well. But for this episode of Side Dish, we're going to do something a little bit different. It's going to be formatted a little bit different. Trying something out. Tell me if you like it, if you don't like it. But not only are we going to be making whiskey sour slushies, I'm going to be checking out the Cowin SE7 audio counseling Bluetooth headphones. Oh, and here they are. They're very nice. I'm really excited to try these out. So shout out to Cowin. We're going to be getting into this very soon. So it's going to be, I'm not going to talk as much in this video as I normally do. I'm actually going to be listening to music, checking out the headphones, and making this, and doing all the prep stuff for the slushies. I actually listen to music a lot when I cook at home. So this is kind of a nice way of including music, the headphones, into an episode of Side Dish. We'll see how this works. If it works really well, you might see more of them in the future. If not, you'll see less of them in the future, because that's how this works. So anyway, sit back, relax, crank up the audio on your YouTube app, on your cell phone, on your laptop, on your tablet, wherever you may be watching this. And let's get into this brand new episode of Side Dish. So here's our almost finished whiskey sour slushie. We just gotta do a little or a couple of things just to kind of finish it off. So it froze. You leave it in the freezer overnight or until you get the consistency that you want. And so it tastes like whiskey, it tastes like sour, so it might be a little bit too sour. So what I'm actually gonna do is take some of my extra simple syrup that I have, and then I'm gonna pour some in, and then mix it in as I go. So we're gonna take a little bit of the syrup. Get my spoon right here, and we're just gonna mix the syrup into it. Add just a little bit more. I try to leave space for the syrup. I might have actually put a little bit too much lemon juice, so it's a little bit more sour than I might have wanted to, but luckily I have extra syrup. Yeah, that's good. That's much better. And then we're just gonna garnish it with a lemon. There we go. You're just gonna garnish it with a little bit of a lemon. So there's our finished whiskey sour slushie. And of course, since I was listening to my headphones for the majority of this video, I really like the Cowin SE7 headphones. They're really nice. They come in multiple colors. Really good noise cancellation. And they're not super expensive. I got these from Amazon for $119, so $119, which is really solid for some high quality noise canceling headphones. They come in multiple styles. These are actually not their top of the line. These are like just under it. But $119 is really not bad for headphones at all. So you can get these from Amazon. They have an eBay store. They have, of course, their website as well, so you can Google search Cowin headphones. Check them out. And that will do it for this episode of Side Dish. So thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for checking out. Thank you for going through the process with me of making whiskey sour slushies. Also, check out the Bacardi lime slushie video. I have that. I have my bourbon slushie video. And also, you can take it all the way back. I also have Kool-Aid slushies as well. Also, the menu, the rest of Side Dish, the lab, all my cooking shows, of course, all my gaming stuff as well. I play a lot of indie games, fighting games, a little bit of everything. So, thank you for checking out this episode of Side Dish. Once again, always remember, slicing, dicing, gaming. Now, this is the motto. It's a lifestyle. I'll check you all on the next video. Later.